The Service Electronic Throttle Control warning in your Ram 1500 indicates a problem within the electronic system that manages your engine's throttle operation. This system uses sensors and actuators to control the engine's air intake electronically, replacing the old mechanical throttle cable system and directly impacting engine performance. The system consists of several key components: the throttle body assembly with its electric motor, dual position sensors for accuracy, accelerator pedal sensors, and the powertrain control module that processes all the information. Common triggers for this warning include voltage irregularities in sensor circuits, mechanical binding in the throttle body, carbon buildup affecting throttle plate movement, damaged wiring, or powertrain control module software issues. Modern Ram 1500s from 2019 and newer have sophisticated ETC systems with dual throttle position sensors and integration with advanced driver assistance systems, making diagnostics more complex. When this warning appears, your vehicle might experience reduced power or enter limp mode to prevent further damage. This limits acceleration, but allows you to drive to a safe location for service. Understanding this warning is crucial for Ram 1500 owners, as the electronic throttle control system is essential for proper engine operation and vehicle safety. The first step in troubleshooting electronic throttle control issues is using an OBD2 scanner to identify specific fault codes. Look for these common electronic throttle control fault codes. P2135 indicates throttle position sensor correlation issues, P2138 shows accelerator pedal position sensor problems, and P0638 points to throttle actuator control range issues. Next, perform a visual inspection of the throttle body, wiring harness, and electrical connections. Look for obvious damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could cause the warning. Carbon buildup is a common cause of electronic throttle control warnings. Here's what a dirty throttle body looks like and the cleaning process required to restore proper function. The cleaning process involves 4 key steps: detecting dirt buildup, removing the intake duct for access, gaining proper access to the throttle body, and cleaning with appropriate throttle body cleaner. For 2019 to 2021, Ram 1500 Hemi V8 models experiencing cold weather, electronic throttle control warnings, a specific PCM software update can resolve the issue. This update addresses condensation problems in the throttle body. High-mileage vehicles require preventive maintenance. Throttle body cleaning should be performed every 60,000 miles, and throttle body motor replacement may be necessary for vehicles with over 100,000 miles. If the warning persists after basic troubleshooting, or if you encounter multiple system codes, professional diagnosis is recommended. Professional shops achieve a 94% accurate fault identification rate compared to 67% for DIY diagnosis. Professional diagnosis offers significantly higher accuracy rates. According to 2024 data, professional shops achieve 94% accuracy, while dealer service reaches 98% accuracy using proprietary diagnostic tools.